Ho, 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 me hero! I wanted to take a moment to personally thank you for being such splendid property managers this year. I must say, your ability to stay ahead of the curve this year has been tremendous. Our heroes have been barracking for yours, helping out wherever they can to make your 2025 one to remember. You've all been on the nice list, and your results prove it. Your business's achievements culminate in some seriously impressive collective milestones for the Homhero community. These are $630 million in gross booking value, over 17,000 unique property listings, and more than 280,000 guest bookings. Let's keep the sleigh running fast for an even brighter new year. From myself, Mrs Claus, and of course the merry little elves hard at work back in the Homhero workshop on the Gold Coast, we would like to take a moment to wish you abundant health and prosperity this festive season. Please enjoy the precious gift of much-deserved time with your nearest and dearest. So to all of our heroes, happy holiday, or is that happy holiday homes? And see you next year